If you already inherited a lot of money or won the lottery, then this video won't be for you. Most of the people, including me, has to build wealth step by step from nothing, and to be honest, it is not easy. We have to figure out on our own how to make more money, how we can save more on groceries. Meanwhile, we also have to pay off debts. Luckily, there are some habits which can help you to fasten up the process of wealth building itself. In this video, I would like to present you 5 habits which can guarantee to reach your financial goals the fastest way. But before we get into the details, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and also you can check out one of my previous videos. Have a clear vision. If you don't have goals and clear vision, you won't be able to tell what you would like to do with your own life. And this is especially true for your personal finances. I know people who don't have any exact financial goals. They just live paycheck by paycheck, and every single end of the month it is a real struggle for them until their next paycheck. But honestly, you don't have to live like this. The best you can do already in the beginning is to make clear statement what do you expect from your finances, what would you like to achieve. When I was 25 years old, I already decided that I would like to make $2,500 per month until I reach 30. That was my own vision, and my mind continuously tried to figure out how can I get closer and closer to this goal. But I think you won't be surprised right now if I tell you that this goal itself won't be enough. If you would like to achieve this goal successfully, then you have to be specific and also give yourself deadlines. It is a promising start to decide what kind of income level would you like to reach before a specific age, but you also need to set further and further financial goals for yourself at the same time. Like you can set a goal which is about to pay off your student loan within 5 years, and in parallel with that, you decide to establish 3 different income sources within 3 years. In the end, you will have an excellent and also transparent overview regarding your own financial expectations. This overview will be your guideline which will help you to manifest your next financial level. Expand your financial knowledge. It can be a real struggle to understand the world of economy. Therefore, you have to educate yourself continuously about finances. When you already have a clear vision and a lot of financial goals, you also need to think forward and figure out how you can make actions. This is the exact point when financial education comes to the picture. You need to have the willingness to learn all the time and walk with open eyes, seeking for new opportunities. Luckily, you don't have to be a bookworm anymore if you would like to learn about economy. There are plenty of well-known YouTubers who are constantly creating excellent contents regarding investment, budgeting, saving and making money, and also how to start side hustles and so on. So next time, when you feel that you need to watch a funny cat video, maybe think again and utilize your time a bit more wisely. And watch a video about recession or the actual inflation. Why? Because the more you know about the present economy, the better outlook you will have regarding your own financial growth in the future. Live below your means. The next habit you can practice for your financial growth is living below your means. That doesn't mean you always have to buy the cheapest ingredients during grocery shopping, or you can completely forget to organize a vacation in the summer. Personally, living below my means is a habit for me which can be simplified in one sentence. Not spending all the money immediately when I get some extra cash. Lifestyle inflation plays a huge part in this, which means that people tend to spend more money anytime when their income is increasing. In the end, this kind of approach can result more debts, higher living costs, and also not saving any money for retirement. Certainly at this point I don't recommend you to try to live on the same income for 20-30 years, because I strongly believe that life is not about that. But if you don't want to stress too much about money, then you shouldn't spend all of them anytime when you have the urge. So the question is, what is the solution in the end? From my perspective, I simplified it the following way. Anytime when my income increases, I evaluate if this is permanent or temporary. In case of temporary increase, I don't spend any of it, but rather reallocate for my saving and investing goals. But if I see that my income increased permanently, like I got a raise, I always save at least 20% of the amount or even more, and the rest can adjust my spendings. Actually, this is working pretty well for me because I found a healthy balance between my financial goals and also enjoying my life with a bit more spending. Seek for income streams. It is not a secret, if you would like to build your personal wealth, you always have two options. First, you can decrease your costs, which result more money, or you can seek for opportunities which can increase your sources of income. The best strategy for financial growth is to pay attention both of these goals at the same time. Living below your means helps you to manage your money smartly, or in other words, not spend all of it on unnecessary things. However, if you truly want to boost up your personal wealth, then you also have to figure out how you can establish more and more income sources. Nowadays, you have plenty of options how you can add an extra income source to your portfolio. You can get a second job or you can start a side hustle beside your full-time job. It's even better if you look for online-based opportunities because they are easily manageable beside your full-time job. Blogging, creating a web store, or buying and selling products on marketplaces. All of these opportunities can help you to make some extra cash. Anyway, if you are lacking of ideas how you can start your next income source, then don't hesitate to check out one of my previous videos on the screen where I shared a couple of tips how you can start to make money online. Take care of your health. Personal health and focusing on your financial growth goes hand in hand, without a doubt. You may think that you don't have time to pay attention to your own health because you are utilizing all of your free time to build your own wealth. Well, let me be straightforward here. This is the worst strategy what you can choose. Just think about it. If you don't care about your body, you will get sick more often, which means that you can't work. This can be especially harmful when you are already working as an entrepreneur. Nonetheless, paying the different kind of healthcare costs won't help you to get closer to your financial goals. Growing financially takes time and of course a lot of work. Therefore, you can't afford to lose even a single day because you are ill. So the conclusion is that you have to take care of your body as much as you can. At this point, I need to highlight that not only the physical aspect of your health is important, but your mental health too. Stress and anxiety are serious risks, especially when you try to do too many things at the same time, which won't be rare if you want to utilize your time the best possible way. Therefore, it is not a question that you have to do everything you can every single day for your personal health. Luckily, most of the habits which can help you out are nearly free or maybe won't cost too much for you. Reading an interesting book, meditating for 10 minutes, and doing some exercises 3 or 4 times a week, and of course eating healthy. Right now I only mentioned a few habits which can help you to take care of your health. Personally, I like to consider my personal health as the foundation of my performance. If I don't treat my mind and body well, then I won't be able to achieve my goals the fastest possible way. And neither you can. So take this advice seriously. So these were my 5 easy habits which can help you regarding your financial growth. And in the end, if you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to show some support, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you next week.